In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email contact list in Outlook. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a simple group you can use to email multiple people at once without typing each address over and over. This works great for teams, classes, clubs, or family updates. I'll keep it clear and straightforward, and I'll add quick tips so you avoid common mistakes. First, go to the Outlook app. You can open Outlook on your computer or use Outlook on the web in your browser if that's how you prefer to work. Make sure you're signed into the right account where you want the list to live, because your groups will stay with that account. Next, click on People. In Outlook, People is your contacts area, often shown with a small silhouette icon. This is where your address book lives and where you manage contact lists. If you don't see it right away, look along the left navigation or the bottom bar, depending on your layout. Now click New Contact Group. This creates the container for your list. A contact group is just Outlook's term for a mailing list you can use in the to, CC or BCC fields. You'll usually see a place to give the group a name. Pick something short and descriptive so it's easy to find later, like project team or volunteers. Click Add Members to start building your list. This button opens your options for pulling people in. If you already have contacts saved, you can choose from those, otherwise we'll add people who aren't in your address book yet. Choose New Email Contact. This tells Outlook you want to add someone by typing in their details, rather than selecting from existing contacts. It's perfect for first-time entries or temporary lists. Add a display name. This is how the person will appear inside the group. Keep names consistent, either first and last name or a standard format you already use. Consistency helps you search and recognize members quickly. Enter the email address. Type carefully and double check for typos. One incorrect character can cause bounce backs. If you're pasting an address, watch out for extra spaces. It's a good idea to confirm the domain is correct before you proceed. Click OK to add that person to the group. Repeat the add members and new email contact steps to include as many people as you need. When you're done, your new contact group is ready. The next time you compose an email, type the group's name in the to field, and Outlook will address it to everyone on your list. If your Outlook layout looks a bit different, don't worry. Just look for People, New Contact Group, and Add Members, and you'll be set.